Hello, people of the internet. My name's Kiera. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to my tiny kitchen in my tiny home. So essentially, we're in about half of my house right now. Well, maybe a third of it. A third is to the left, and a third is to the right. So there's about 3 Kiera arm stands in this tiny home. Today, in honor of spring just around the corner, I thought I would do a little bit of spring baking and bake a carrot cake in my toaster oven. If you watched my tiny home tour video, then you would know we do have an actual oven in our tiny home. However, it's not functioning right now, so we make use of the toaster oven, and it works just fine. I have baked in it before. I have baked a cranberry white chocolate loaf that turned out pretty okay. It was a little crispy on top, but it ended up being pretty tasty, so I'm excited to try a carrot cake version today. All right, let's bake, boys and girls. People of the internet. Let's do it.
Sun on my face, flowers grow through the cracks in the pavement. Fresh kicks and my favorite jeans, stepping out, living loud and free. Walk around like a brand new melody. Hear me when I'm singing that. Oh, 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 and it keeps getting better. It only gets better. With the volume up to 10, see the world through my sunshine glasses. Nothing that can bring me down, 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 down. Oh, 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 and it keeps getting better. It only gets better. Oh, 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 and it keeps getting better. It only gets better. Keeps getting better. It only gets better. Oh, 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 and it keeps getting better. It only gets better. It only gets better.
He's done. I feel like people call baked goods and cars and everything she, but I think this carrot cake is a he. So, I think we all know what comes next. Taste test.
This whole thing is for Roxy.
We made her a cake.
Because it's a carrot
cake. Insert clip of Roxy here. Got the cakes, or the loaves. Moment of truth. I gotta get like a piece that's
Well, you sound like Roxy when you're chewing.
It is a little crunchy. I think the toaster oven causes the edges to be a little browner and crispier because in order to keep it in longer. Babe! babe.
I'm sorry, it's just so funny because like I'm looking at you and it's like, what is she talking to? And then I realized.
Maybe just the way that it is, the outsides. I think the reason it's so crunchy is because no, you got me all.
I'm sorry.
It is a little crunchy on the outside, and I think that's just because the way the toaster oven is. I'm leaving. Bye. It's a little crispy and crunchy on the outside, as you could probably hear by my chewing. And I think that's just because of the toaster oven, the way it cooks it. The edges are just more crispy and browned, whereas the inside's actually finished. Whereas previously I tried to bake banana bread and the inside was really gooey and the outside was really burnt. So I think maybe just cooking at a lower temperature when cooking in this toaster oven would be helpful. But overall, it's pretty good. I would give this a 7 out of 10. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. Like, I'm definitely gonna eat all of that. Given that score, it's pretty good already, I think. 7 out of 10. But given that I baked it in a toaster oven in a tiny home, I think that it deserves an 8 out of 10. So that's what I'll be giving it today. But now we're gonna have the expert come in. All right, everyone, this is Max. He's decided to grace us with his presence. Max is so particular about baked goods. He is an expert because he eats them non-stop and somehow still looks like this.
I'm a baked good connoisseur of sorts. One time, Kiera made me a cherry pie, and I actually liked it.
I thought you were gonna mention
really
the brownie story.
Oh, dude.
Should we even say that?
No, it's just impressive.
I think you should do this. This is much
Oh.
softer.
Well, I've already started this, so
That's not gonna be an accurate representation. There's not even icing on that bit. Okay, Roxy. There you go.
Oh, Christ. Alright.
Oh!
Pretty good job on the carrot cake bub, but
Thanks.
I'm just,
There's a butt.
I don't really like icing on my carrot cake. I'm kind of weird. Yeah, good job, good job. 2 out of 10. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh my God.
I'm kidding.
Wait, yeah, you have to give a rating though.
Oh gosh. That's really difficult. I mean, I want to say honestly, it's pretty good. She did a good job. Especially given the toaster oven situation. Is it, you know, hitting the spot for me? Maybe not particularly, but that doesn't mean it's not good. I'm just a pretty picky guy.
That was the video. Well, thank you all for watching and baking along with me if you so choose to, or at least watch me bake. Hopefully it was enjoyable. And I hope you all have a happy start to your spring. Bye! Gonna eat some more cake.